So I'm going to show you a demo of service chaining functionality using Intel servers and Intel 100 gig network interfaces. So the environment I'm going to show you here emulates a complete data center and then emulates the WAN traffic coming in at 100 gigabits per second. So here we have 100 gigabit traffic generator running on one of these servers. We emulate multiple flows coming into the data center. One of these flows is a 40 gig flow that we classify at line rate here at 100 gigabits and then classify that into this service chain, which you see as being a DPI function, a firewall function and a NAT function. This classification is implemented in our 100 gig NIC interface here, and we also do encapsulation into the data center backbone network, including the encapsulation in the NSH header. From there, the packet flow through the service chain is shown here. So we have the initial packet that we classify in our network interface. This gets forwarded into the first software function in the service chain, and from there the service chain function is able to modify those packets and forward them through the service chain. So here you see an NSH header. You see it progressing from service to service and being modified as it goes. And the forwarding function that you see through the changes in the addresses. So today with this demo we're working with a couple of partners, Cisco, who are driving a lot of the NSH standardization, as well as F5 and Citrix, where we're implementing some of their NSH aware service functions. Finally, through the end of the service chain, the traffic gets forwarded into the tenant VMs where they implement their own workloads. So in summary, what we're trying to show here is the ability to do 100 gig and 40 gig NSH processing within the Intel network interfaces with a 100 gig SDI adapter, as well as our 40 gig adapter that we're shipping today, and working on our Intel ONP platform together with vendors like Cisco, where we're doing multi-vendor interop and using services that are NSH aware from F5 and Citrix. And finally, as a layer on top of this functionality, we see Open Daylight fitting into our strategy as being the control plane that plugs this all together and provides a user interface. Thank you.